Good morning, children. Welcome to Sri Ramanuja Vidya Mandir, a temple of learning. The previous classes also we discussed that how we are fortunate by joining this college, even you and me also, by getting good values, ethics and all. We have discussed already. I hope in this critical situation you all are very well at home, and the lectures given by our lecturers, you are using your time by learning that. And in the last class, we have discussed about Shabdas. So now, by now, you must have understood that what is Shabda. So, once again, I'll explain you what is Shabda. Shabda is nothing but the preposition in English or Karak Chinha in Hindi. But some difference is there as far as the Sanskrit is concerned. The difference is, in Hindi, Karak Chinha, we detach the Karak Chinha with the word, like Gaon mein, Ram ko. These Karak Chinha will be written separately to the word. In English also, in the forest, to Rama, like that we write separate to the word. But here, in Sanskrit language, it is attached with the word. Like, I want to say that in the forest. So, I will tell you that Vane means in the forest. So, like that, Shabdas plays very vital role in formation of sentence. So, last class, we have learned Akaranta Pullinga Rama Shabdaha and Akaranta Pullinga Shiva Shabdaha. Shabdas are 4 types. First one is Pullinga Shabdaha. Second one is Striling Shabdaha. Third one is Napusankalinga Shabdaha. And the fourth is Sarvanam Shabdaha. As far as your question paper is concerned, out of these 4 type of Shabdas, one Shabda will be given in your question paper, and you have to write any 2 Shabdas. So meanwhile, while we are doing recordings and we are saying the lectures online, so meanwhile what you have to do is at least 2 type of Shabdas you have to learn. And make sure that when we will join you in the offline session, you will be perfect or thorough with these Shabdas. In the previous class, as I told that we have discussed about the Rama Shabda and the Shiva Shabda, this class we will discuss about Ikaranta Pullinga Shabdaha. Ikaranta means where the E ki matra will come in the word, like see Hari, and the Pulling Shabdaha. So, the format will be same as Rama Shabda and Shiva Shabda. First column will be Vibhakti Roop. Second column Ekavachan, third column Dvivachan, and the fourth column will be Bahuvachan. Vibhakti have 7 cases: Prathama Vibhakti, Dvitiya Vibhakti, Tritiya Vibhakti, Chaturthi Vibhakti, Panchami Vibhakti, Saptami Vibhakti, and the one Sambodhan will be there. It will be same as Prathama Vibhakti, but one word we should add in this Sambodhan, that is He Hari, like we are calling the God, He Hari. He Hari, He Harayaha. Let's start. Hari Shabda, Prathama Vibhakti, Harihi, Hari, Harayaha. Once again, Harihi, Hari, Harayaha. Dvitiya Vibhakti, Harim, Hari, Hareen. Harim, Hari, Hareen. Tritiya Vibhakti, Harina, Haribhyam, Haribhihi. Bhihi, see this Visarga Chinha is there. By pronunciation, we'll tell Ihi, Haribhihi. Now Chaturthi Vibhakti, Haraye, Haribhyam, Haribhyaha. Panchami Vibhakti, Hareh, Haribhyam, Haribhyaha. षष्ठी विभक्ति हरेः हर्योः हरिणाम्. सप्तमी विभक्ति हरौ हर्योः हरिषु. And the last Sambodhan, as I told that it will be same as Prathama Vibhakti, but one word we have to add, that is He. So see, He Hare, He Hari, He Hareyaha. So you have to by heart this table. Again, let's repeat it. Harihi Hari Harayaha. Harim Hari Harin. Harina Haribhyam Haribhihi. Haraye Haribhyam Haribhyaha. Hareh Haribhyam Haribhyaha. Hareh Haryo Harinam. Harau Haryoh Harishu. He Hare, He Hari, He Hariyaha. Children, I know since you are learning first time Sanskrit, so it will be little difficult for you by hearting. So practice makes man perfect. Every day you have to practice this. That's why I have started Shabda, so that you can learn thoroughly by the offline session starts. So every day you have to by heart this and make sure that all the Shabdas which I'll give you, you have to be thorough with them. Now, like Hari Shabda, we have another Shabda. See, Hari Shabda, again, like Hari Shabda, same Ravi Shabda also been written in the same form. Ravihi, Ravi, Ravayaha. Ravim, Ravi, Ravin. Ravina, Ravibhyam, Ravibhihi. Ravaye, Ravibhyam, Ravibhyaha. Raveh, Ravibhyam, Ravibhyaha. Hareh, Raveh, Ravyoh, Ravinam. Ravau, Ravyoh, Ravishu. He Ravi, He Ravi, He Raviyaha. This is Ikarant Pullinga Shabdaha. Next see. This is Bhanu Ukarant Pulling Shabdaha. In the previous slide we have learned Ikarant Pullinga Hari Shabdaha. Here Ukarant Bhanu. See, U ki matra is there. Ukarant. So Ukarant Pulling. Bhanu means sun. So Bhanu Ukarant Pulling Shabdaha. Table will be same as other tables. So Prathama Vibhakti Bhanuhu Bhanu Bhanavaha. Dvitiya Vibhakti Bhanum Bhanu Bhanun. Tritiya Vibhakti Bhanuna Bhanubhyam Bhanubhihi. Chaturthi Vibhakti Bhanave Bhanubhyam Bhanubhyaha. Panchami Vibhakti Bhanoh Bhanubhyam Bhanubhyaha. Sashti Vibhakti Bhanoh Bhanvo Bhanunam. Saptami Vibhakti Bhanau Bhanvo Bhanushu. And the last Sambodhanam He Bhano, He Bhanu, He Bhanavaha. So here you have to by heart it properly. So again we'll repeat. Bhanuhu Bhanu Bhanavaha. Bhanum Bhanu Bhanun. Bhanuna Bhanubhyam Bhanubhihi. Bhanave Bhanubhyam Bhanubhyaha. Bhanoh, since Visarg is there, we have to pronounce like this. Bhanoh Bhanubhyam Bhanubhyaha. Bhanoh Bhanvoh Bhanunam. Saptami Vibhakti Bhanau Bhanvo Bhanushu. He Bhano, He Bhano, He Bhanavaha. This is Ukarant pulling shabda Bhanu shabdah. Children, though the Sanskrit is very easy, that little challenging, shabda is little challenging in the part of grammar. So what we have to do is every day we have to by heart and write it down without seeing, so that you will be perfect in these shabdas. So next class, when I will join you again, make sure that last class we have learned two shabdas, that is Rama Shabda and Shiva Shabda, and this class we have learned Ikarant Pullinga Hari Shabda and Ukarant Pullinga Bhanu Shabda. You will be thorough that. This is Pramila signing off. Thank you.